my name is Faqar Abdullah, and in this video I'm gonna walk you through my project that I've been working on during my internship. It's called Wash Minute, and let's get started. So Wash Minute is a Morocco-based startup. It was founded in 2024, and they got an investment of 600K. So they decided to build a mobile application, and I've been the engineer who was responsible for the mobile application. There was other persons they worked on the dashboard, stuff like that. So Wash Minute in short is like an Uber style dispatch for professional washmen. So a customer wants to wash his car, instead of going to what we call lavage, you can just make a booking and they will send you a washman to your location. They will wash your car, do the services you paid for, and you pay either in cash, the previous model. In the previous model you can only pay in cash. So let me walk you through the new model that we built. So the problem: reservations over WhatsApp and no system, no scale. So previously, a customer needs to call Wash Minute using WhatsApp, and they will make the booking using WhatsApp, and it's the only middleware between the customer and Wash Minute. And as you can see, there is no scheduling, no payment tracking, no visibility for either side. So let me show you the product that I built and the added value. So I will walk you through all the screens. So this is the first screen. The application is a React Native using Expo in the front end. In the backend, I used I used .js with Express, PostgreSQL, and of course, I used some AWS services as infrastructure. So the auth is based solely on the phone number, and once you log in, you land on this homepage. As you can see, the user will pick the location, pick the services, and of course, all this information we send to the backend, and of course, and then we try to match the most nearby washman to the client. So after the user will pick the location, main services, he can also add some add-ons, and he can choose whether he wants an instant reservation or a scheduled one. And the last screen, we have a summary, and of course he can pay cash on delivery or pay online. So if he choose to pay online, I've implemented NAP's payment gateway, and of course the user will be navigated to other screen, since the Wash Minute application is not PCI DSS compliant, so we cannot just store the user payment information card number and stuff like that. So after the user will make confirm the payment, we store all the booking information. And the only thing when I've been working on naps, I was really careful to not run into issues double charge in case there is some network failure. So the strategy was to use an idempotency key, so we don't make the same operation runs twice. So for the Washman homepage, of course, as I said, it's a two-sided mobile application. We have the customer side and we have the washman side. So the washman side, it's kind of like a job dashboard. He got the incoming request. He see the information, how far the customer is, which services he paid for, and the washman also have the ability to toggle between online and offline. So in case he's offline, he will not receive any new requests. So of course, if the washman wants to see more information, he can just tap the request. He will see how far the customer is, like the shortest path to reach the client. Of course, like the current map is an Apple map. If the application is running in an Android device, it will get to see like the Google Maps map. Yeah. So before accepting, the washman sees the route to the client on a live map with estimated travel time. One tap to accept. The system then notifies the customer and starts the live tracking session. So in case the customer makes a booking, the homepage becomes like this. Like he got to see like, so we have the one at the left before like the washman is assigned. Like he see like his services, like the time of the reservation, and of course like he can contact the support. We have like a live chat if he taps like the support icon, and of course he can also like cancel his reservation. Now when a washman is assigned, like he got to see like his name, his rating, and also he can call him. So the washman and the client can communicate with each other with a chat system. So as you can see like in this screenshot, like the washman can chat with the customer, and also like when the washman confirm the request, he will see like a live tracking map that tracks like his location. So the more he got closer to the client, this map over here will get also updated. And once he is done, like he will get like marqué comme terminé. The user will then, the customer will get to see like évaluer votre expérience. So he will rate the washman, and of course like this rate will also get shown in the washman side for like the future reservations. So two problems worth mentioning: finding nearby washman. So matching customers with available washman in real time requires spatial queries that run fast under load. So let me like talk a little bit about this point. So previously, for the washman to get like the most nearby requests, we had to like make a polling request every 30 seconds that hits the backend and check if there is a new request. So in case we have a new request, then we make a new calculation client side for the washman. Like the washman needs to take all those available washmen, to take all those available requests and make like a distance calculation, because we have a condition like the customer should always like get matched with washman in a radius of 3 kilometers first, and then 5 kilometers, and then 10 kilometers. So the washman will always like make a calculation and filter by distance. So all those operations were taking too much time, and this approach obviously is not optimal. So I decided to use like PostGS, which is like a PostgreSQL spatial indexing, and it uses like geographic indexing to run the k nearest neighbor algorithm server side. So simply when a customer make a booking, we store like all the booking information plus like the latitude and longitude of the user, and whenever we need to fetch nearby request for the washman, we only like make a query that automatically fetch or grab like the washman location and the location that exists in the booking, and they will make like the k nearest neighbor calculation server side, and the result like we get like the answer under 100 milliseconds, which is a 95% reduction in time comparing to previous performance. The second thing is payment in Morocco. As I said, like Stripe does not operate in Morocco, and the alternative was NAPS, the National Payment Gateway, which has a less predictable API. The main engineering risk was duplicate charges on network failures. Idempotency keys on every transaction solved this. So 0 double charges in production. So my last product that I shipped is like 2 mobile application on both App Store and Play Store, and you can like take a look. It's called Wash Minute. So we have like a 4.8 rate on Google Play with plus 1,000 downloads. We have also the application live on iOS. So the app went from 0 to production during the internship period. It is live on Google Play and Apple app store serving real users in Morocco. And here I mentioned like the stack, as I said, like React Native, Expo, TypeScript. As I said, like I own the full stack, and some of the soft skills I gained actually, like the most important thing is product thinking, like how you build a product that will be really helpful to real users, not just like you build it for the sake of it, but you build it for a clear purpose. And thank you very much for your listening, and see you later.